Alright guys, hello, welcome back to tutorials on how to use GBA for iOS. So there's been GBA for iOS 2.0 update that's come about, so I'm sure you all want to know how it works. So first what you need to do is you go to your iPod, and when you go here you're going to see this bar on top of iTunes. Go to Apps, and normally there will be a delay as your computer processes all the apps on your iPod or iPhone, whichever. And when you get here, you'll see the screen. Go to the scroll bar, go down to file sharing. And again, you see GBA for iOS just like you did last time. So here you have all of your files, including the new skins file for GBA for iOS. So what you do is you take the save file that you want, whichever Pokemon game, click on the save file, scroll down, the Save To button, click, and I happen to have a folder on my desktop for this. You can put yours wherever you want. Mine is GBA for iOS Crash Dump, and you select the folder and put your save file in it. If you already have a save file, you're going to need to replace it. And notice this is 128 kilobytes. All my other ones, which I have not played yet in the new one, are 32 kilobytes, so it's a different file size. So you do is now you minimize iTunes, and you go into you go to your Visual Boy. And open the GBA file. Notice this is the GBA file, not the save file you saved to your computer. This is a different file. And if your computer switches to Windows 7 Basic, this is normal. It's not causing any harms. So here you go. You can see you can play Pokemon Emerald with the save file on your computer. Here's all the Pokemon. You get the idea. And you can still use cheats the same way as you used to be able to. You go to cheats, cheat list, and then depending on the code you just click on the buttons, be it Game Shark, Code Breaker, or a binary cheat, well, hexadecimal cheat. It all works the same as it used to. If you need some more information on that, there will be a link to the previous version, which has everything. So once you've done everything you want on this save file, this is still the same as it used to be. You go to File, Export, Battery File, and you save it wherever. And now you can. And now what you need to do is you need to go Start, Save. You need to make sure you do that. And then you need to File, Export. So just remember, you always need to save in-game before you go to File, Export, because otherwise you will not keep the changes that you save. So from there, you can go back to iTunes, click Add, find the file. Mine is right here. Open, and replace. And now you have changed save files. Trading also works the exact same as it did in the previous version, so really nothing has changed. The only thing that's changed is that there's a skins folder. And overall, it was a very good update. Many features were added. So if you have any comments about how to use the transferring to computer, how to put it back on your iPod, or anything that happens on the computer, including trading, go to the comments, ask the question. I'll do the best I can to help you guys out. But what you need to do before you do that is just make sure that you have gone over both this video and the previous video I made to make sure that you followed all the procedures right and didn't do anything wrong. Because most of the time, any problems you have can be solved by just watching the video again and doing it a second time as you're following along. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Again, if you have any questions, ask in the comments and I'll answer. So I hope this helps and have a nice day.